In this quick tutorial, I'll be discussing about how you can easily create or use your temporary mail on your PC or laptop. So let's get started. The first thing first, just head over to your search bar and simply search in for temporary mail. So it will take you to this first website. Just tap on this just like this. And now all you have to do is just wait for a few seconds until it provides your temporary email address. So which will be valid for some time. So you can just copy this email anywhere you want on your device. So let's say I was signing up to application or some website. So whenever I sign up to that particular website, any sort of inbox such as 6-digit code, verification code, or any sort of link provided to that particular Gmail will be shown over here, and you can just tap on that to view it or take action accordingly. So as you can see, just now a verification code has been sent to my inbox, so I can simply view it and simply enter my verification code on that particular site or application where I'm signing up. So once you make a use of that particular Gmail as well as that particular verification code, you can just come back and easily refresh, and it will automatically refresh the Gmail for you after some time. So you can just refresh it, you refresh the message list as well to see whether new inbox has appeared or not. So as you can see, it will also show the new link if it has appeared over there. So once you are satisfied with using your temporary mail, so you can just delete this address. It helps you a lot about getting spam emails or advertising mailings or hacking. It also helps keep your real mailbox clean and secure. So that is the reason you can use. So that's exactly how you can easily use. So you can also go for premium version if you want. So that is it for today, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.